We are annoyed by how few calories we burn when having exercised, but it is actually very impressive of our bodies that it uses up a very little amount of energy.
To people in 1923, 2023 is utterly unrecognizable and was impossible to predict. 2123 will be unrecognizable to us and is impossible to predict.
The only way to get through life is to become crazy.
You don't need a parachute to go skydiving.
You realize how much you value pockets the second you realize the pants you have on don't have any.
Technically, only change is cold and hard cash.
Bar stools in bars are drunkenness tests. If you fall off the stool, you are too drunk to serve.
The sun has never actually risen or set.
The second you turn 13, you will have spent exactly a year living in each month.
When it snows, snowmen see their flesh falling out of nowhere.
Dating apps only make money off single people, so their entire profit model is to keep everyone single.
Humans are technically a hydroelectric bioreactor.
Freckles are nature's glitter.
A telephone makes sound travel faster than sound.
Consumption is easy and can destroy your life. Creation is difficult but will improve your life.
It's actually mad how many films can be summarized as he met a girl.
Earth is definitely single seeing as it has no rings.
Chuck E. Cheese's is the child gateway to adult casinos.
People who carry a lot of coins are usually poorer than people who carry less coins.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Cash cab was a major influence on the fake-a-taxi genre.
Given they can and do result in death in 15 minutes, food allergies are one of the deadliest yet most overlooked disability.
Some people have better relationships with their memories than the people in their lives.
Billy Joel's song Piano Man actually has more harmonica in it than piano.
All dogs believe it is better to have eaten and vomited than to have never eaten at all.
Flutterby is more appropriate than butterfly.
Cells are multiplied by dividing themselves.
The clothes you wear when you die might be your forever ghost clothes.
In limbo, setting the bar too low is the same as setting the bar too high.
Violins manage to be top on the list for most horrendous sounding and the most pleasant sounding. It all depends on if the person playing knows how to play well.
Choices are the only thing you need two of to have one of.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
If you like this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Dad Jokes. It'll make you laugh and groan. Just search for Daily Dad Jokes in your podcast app or check the show notes page for links. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.